This video will show you how to calibrate the excitation and emission monochromators of an FS5 spectrofluorometer. First, switch the system on and open Fluorical software. Then, go to Setup, Xenon Lamp Setup, and under Lamp Control, press On. Then press Apply and Close. We will use the xenon lamp lines to calibrate the system. Ensure there is no sample in the sample holder of the system. Then, in Fluorical software, open the signal rate window and set the same wavelength, bandwidth, and light path settings as shown here. To calibrate the excitation monochromator, close the signal rate window and click File, New Spectral Measurement, Service Scan, Excitation Wavelength Validation Scan. Do not change any settings, simply press Start. The excitation wavelength validation scan should begin. Wait for the measurement to finish. When the measurement is finished, check that the peak aligns with the expected value. The expected value is 473.4 plus or minus 0.5 nanometers. If it does not match, adjust the peak position. To do this, in Fluorical software, go to Setup, User Calibration, Calibrate Excitation Grating. In the User Calibration menu, enter the desired peak value and the measured peak value to be corrected. Click OK and remeasure. Repeat this process until the peak matches the expected value. If the peak is outside of plus or minus 10 nanometers, please contact Edinburgh Instruments for support. To calibrate the emission monochromator, we will again use the xenon lamp. Place a sample cuvette into the sample chamber. Here, we use a sample of diluted Ludox in water to scatter the light. Then, open the signal rate window in Fluorical software and enter the settings as shown. Next, click the Spectral Measurement button, Emission Scan, and enter the settings as shown. Press Apply and Start. Wait for the emission scan measurement to finish. Using the Peak Pick tool, check that the peak matches the expected value. This value is 473.4 plus or minus 0.5 nanometers. If the measured peak does not match the expected value, adjust the peak position. To do this, go to Setup, User Calibration Setup, Calibrate Emission Grating. In the User Calibration menu, enter the desired peak value and the measured value to be corrected. Click OK and remeasure. Repeat this process until the peak matches the expected value plus or minus 0.5 nanometers. The excitation and emission monochromators of the system are now calibrated.